Chocolate.
Well, Too-Faced review.
It's not no.
Too-Faced review.
No.
What are we doing today, Paddy?
We're shaving.
Shaving.
This is gonna be really good when I'm dead. You get to show my grandchildren this.
Yeah.
Especially. No,
Right.
you get the cream. Now, if you're one of the Bigfoot, you pull out a thick sideburn. So you want to
Look at that sideburn.
do that.
Alright.
You do that. And I get a lot of hair on my face, so I shave my face.
No, you don't.
I do. I always start on my right side, and I start shaving my mold.
What?
Yeah.
Like an old peach. You got mould.
It used to be green, it's now grows hairy. It could be a tumour, so if I'm dead...
Yeah, what do you mean you have mould?
And then I always do the chin. So you've got to pull that face. All the way down to the neck. Be careful not to cut yourself. So I've just cut myself a little bit, I think. I didn't say the thing actually. I think I'm going to kill myself tomorrow.
No.
And then you go for the tash. And this might hurt a little bit.
You rinse off the...
Learn, push down against the grain. I want to push up as a young lad and cut my thumb in it.
No, I did that as well.
Oh, I would have kept the hip. Okay.
Whoa!
And then you turn off the cold water, make sure to clean your razor first. Do the hot water again. Shove the rag in.
Dragon.
Okay. Rag wet. And then you go
Look at that rag. Oh, brother.
clean, but it's just
Right.
And then what you want to do actually is you want to do a little cold wash afterwards as well.
I have to close your pores.
Close your pores.
Right.
And there you go, you've shaved.
Let's have a look.
It's actually a bit dodgy, I've still got like nose hairs, but... And then what you do is you hang your rag.
Hang your rag up on the rag holder.
Catch you in a minute.
So I'm a local artist in Norwich and I've been doing some local art. So this is local. This is a new piece.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Grandchildren. This is my room.
Smells in here, bro. Oh, this is the station. This is the preparation station.
I usually have aftershave, but I've run out, so luckily... Now, I use quite a lot of aftershave.
Oh, fucking hell.
And you rub on your hands.
Yeah.
You go... Wrist as well.
Oh, lovely.
A good sting. I use a sensitive moisturiser. Look in the mirror for this one. Gotta be careful because I just got my nose pierced. And I always put a little bit excess on my arms because I've got like weird lumps that are vitamin deficiencies.
Hmm.
And that's why I every day. That's why I shave every day. See you next time.